Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about CUET undergraduate exam. CUET, which means Common University Entrance Test for undergraduate exam. You see this exam, it is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency, right? Through this exam, most of the central universities of India, many state universities, many private colleges also are taking admission for their UG courses, right? So in this particular video, we are going to discuss what is the exam pattern. What's the pattern of this CUET undergraduate exam? You see, in this CUET exam, there are three kind of tests. One is a language paper. Language paper, you have 33 option. 13 in section 1A and 20 languages in section 1B. Out of these 33 option, you have to take any one. You have to write language paper of any one language out of these 33 option. Then the second kind of test is domain specific subject. So in section 2, you have been given 27 domain specific subject. You can choose the subject of your liking, and you can maximum subject which you can choose in domain subject is 6. So you can choose 3 also, you can choose 4 also, you can choose 5 as well, you can choose 6 as well, but maximum 6, not beyond 6. And the third section is general test. In general test, you will be asked question related to current affairs, then mental ability, meaning basic quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, right? Now, so coming to now the subjects list or the test pattern which we have discussed. Now you see, for various universities, or it varies from university to university, meaning for example, if we take example of Delhi University, it wants you to write one language paper and at least 3 domain subject, and most of the colleges of DU, they want you to attempt general test also. Some colleges of DU, they don't want you to, or they don't consider the score of general test, right? So university to university, the combination of these subject, it varies, right? In some universities, you can write 4 domain subject and 1 language paper. No need to write general test. In some, you have to write general test, right? So it varies depending upon which university you are targeting, right? We'll take example of DU here. So in case of DU, let's say you are writing for a arts course, Bachelor of Arts course. What you have to do is, you can take English as the language. Now this English language paper, it is of 200 marks, right? Then you can take 3 subject from the domain list. Now if you are writing for arts, you will be taking subject like history, economics, political science, or geography, or so on, right? Each of these 3 paper will be of 200 marks, right? And the last paper is of general test paper, it is of 250 marks, and hence the total will be 1050. Now if we take example of a science subject, or if you are writing for BSc course, then you can take subject like physics, chemistry, biology here, and again the total marks will be same 1050. If you are writing for commerce, then you can take domain subject like accountancy, economics, business studies. You can choose any language and 1 general test. Again, please remember, some universities, they don't consider the marks of general test. Some universities, they want only let's say they want 4 domain tests. Some they might be asking for 5 domain subject, right? But we are taking example of DU, right? I hope it is clear to you that you have choices in terms of language also, you have choices in terms of domain subject as well. You have to take at least 3 domain subject, but not beyond 6, right? So many colleges in India, or at least central universities, 47 of them, they are taking admission through CUET UG. Many private colleges also, many autonomous institutions also, many state government universities also, and some deemed university also. All of them, they are now taking admission through CUET score, and hence this exam, it is very significant exam. To know more about this exam, you can visit to our website. Thank you so much.